In this video, the pump operation in Aspen HYSYS is explained. A pump is used to increase the pressure of a liquid stream only. During pumping, a small rise in temperature also occurs due to energy input. In this tutorial, a pump operation will be modeled in HYSYS. The inlet and outlet streams will be connected to the pump block. Using the given pump efficiency, the outlet temperature will be calculated. In this problem, water enters a pump at 120 degrees Celsius and 3 bar. The flow rate of water is 100 kg/mole per hour. The pump operates at a low efficiency of 10%, and the outlet pressure is 84 bar. We will simulate the pump operation in Aspen HYSYS using the Peng equation of state as the fluid package. The objective is to determine the outlet temperature of water after pumping and to observe the effect of pump efficiency on temperature rise. Let's go to the simulation environment. Click on New button. Click Add to open the component list. In the search bar, type H2O and press Enter. Then, select the Fluid Package option. Click Add to include a fluid package. In the Property Package list, scroll down and select Peng. Then, click Simulation to add the pump and material streams. In the Model palette, double-click the blue arrow to add a material stream. Name the stream Feed. Set the temperature to 120 degrees Celsius. The pressure is set to 3 bar. And the molar flow rate to 100 kg/mole per hour. To define the composition, click Composition. As the stream is 100% pure, and set the mole fraction of water to 1. The feed stream properties are now defined. Close the window. Add another material stream and name it Outlet. Set the pressure to 84 bar. Close the stream window and add a pump from the Model palette. Double-click the pump icon to open the pump window. In the Inlet field, select Feed. And in the Outlet field, select Outlet. A red warning message appears at the bottom, indicating that an energy stream is required. Close the pump window and drag an energy stream from the Model palette. Double-click it and name it Work, then close the window. Reopen the pump window and, in the Energy section, select Work. Once sufficient information is provided, a green status bar appears, indicating that the pump is properly defined. By default, the pump efficiency is 75%. To change it, open the Parameters tab and enter 10 in the adiabatic efficiency field. Ensure the units are set to %. Click on the Worksheet tab to view the results. The outlet temperature of water is 138.1 degrees Celsius. This example demonstrates that pumping a liquid increases its temperature. In this case, the pump efficiency was only 10%, resulting in an 18 degrees Celsius rise in water temperature. The lower the pump efficiency, the greater the temperature increase of the pumped fluid. This occurs because a low-efficiency pump requires more energy to achieve the same outlet pressure, and the extra energy is transferred to the fluid.